Spark Dispensary. About to start this mural up. Woo, about to be a hot day. Come on. Let's get it. Peeping the wall. It's hot. Got this thing buffed up though. Time to start doing some line. The furthest one this way. Does that feel like it's got paint in it? Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, thanks, sir. Right, wrapped up in the wall. So let me know what you think in the comments. There's a couple things going on here. Big old freestyle piece. Had a big plan, but changed right when I got here because for signage reasons. Big shout out Rube, Spark, everyone who supports my artistic journey. I appreciate it. Again, let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if I should paint some more stuff like this. Better yet, if you got a nice spot for me to paint, hit me up. Make sure we got cash in hand, boy. Appreciate it.